Phenomenal strategy with crazy win rate. In this video, I'm going to introduce a powerful RSI strategy to you guys that has a very high win rate ratio. In this strategy, I have used RSI and moving average indicators, and I have increased the precision of trade signals significantly. Small stop losses and big and profitable risk-reward ratios are just a few examples of this strategy's many advantages. Hang on with me till the end of this video carefully so you won't miss on any important and essential points about this strategy. Okay, dear traders, let me explain this strategy to you step by step. So here at the start of the trend, we have gotten a buy signal. See, we have gotten such a small stop loss compared to the reward. Here again, we've gotten a buy signal. In this position as well, we've gotten an amazing risk-reward ratio. One of the other advantages of this strategy is that it gives us trade signals which have directions. One of the most important price action setups is trading according to the momentum, which is very profit-making. Okay, I'm going to test some scalp trades using this strategy. This strategy is made by combining some free indicators. First, I'll add the indicator to the chart. Search chandelier exit here. Add this indicator, which is made by Everget, to your charts. Let's go to the settings of this indicator. In the input section, change the number 22 to 1. And we set the ATR multiplier to 2. Next, we move the style section. Uncheck these 4 options. Okay, all these signals that I'm pointing out are false. I marked the false signal. So the false signals have been distinguished now. By adding the next indicator, we're going to follow all these false signals. Okay, the next indicator is RSI, but with different settings. Search RSI here. Apply it to your charts. Let's change its settings now. We changed the number 14 to 24 and we set the MA length to 150. In the style section, we set the color of RSI to blue and we make it a little bolder so it can be seen more clearly. Now the wonderful RSI indicator is ready. Let's get approvals for our signals from the RSI and let's see which signals are true and which are false. Here, the indicator has given us a buy signal. Okay, this is only the first condition. To approve this signal, we go to the RSI indicator. If at the same moment the blue line of RSI crosses the yellow line upwards, this signal is completely valid and we can enter a buy trade. You might ask, why is this signal fake and invalid? It's because RSI doesn't approve that signal and there hasn't been any lines crossing. If we want this indicator to be more precise, we have got to change its setting. Change the ATR multiplier's number from 2 to 1. Now both indicators match each other. And the quality of the signals have been improved. So this sell signal is fake because RSI hasn't approved it. And this buy signal is also fake because again, RSI hasn't approved any of these signals. But here, for example, the indicator has given us a buy signal and simultaneously the blue line of RSI has crossed the yellow line upwards. So this buy signal is completely valid. Here again, the indicator has shown us a sell signal, but it is not valid. RSI hasn't approved this. Here again, we got a sell signal, but yet again, RSI hasn't validated it. And right after that, it has given a buy signal here, and similarly, RSI hasn't given any approvals. But watch carefully here. Here a sell signal has been given. I'll draw a vertical line on the chart. See, RSI has approved the signal at the exact moment it has been given. So because the signal has so much validity, I can open a sell trade here with no worries. Smaller stop loss and more profit is the powerful advantage of this strategy. Okay guys, we can see that the indicator has given us a buy signal, but the RSI hasn't approved it. So we should follow our strategy's rules and not open any trading positions here. Here we got a sell trade, but again, RSI indicator hasn't validated it. I'm explaining and showing all the important points of this strategy to you guys step by step, as I've said at the start of the video. Till here, RSI has invalidated many signals, a buy signal, but this time RSI has approved this one. We hit a small stop loss here, but then after that we receive a valid signal. I open a buy trade here. I set the stop loss to here. Then I follow the trade till the end of this momentum. So we had a small loss over here, but after that in the following trade we made a profit 20 times the loss. Here in this trade, we have reached risk-reward ratio of 15. Now we get to the most important part of this strategy, which is trading according to the momentum of the market. To trade according and in the direction of the market momentum, I add the moving average indicator to the chart. Search MA here and apply this moving average indicator to your chart. Now we go to the settings of this indicator. We change number 9 to 200. And in the style section, we change its color to white and make it also a little bolder. So in this method, we have to get approval from 3 indicators to be able to trade according to the momentum. The first approval is from this indicator, the second approval should be from moving average indicator, and the first approval is from RSI. Okay guys, whenever the candlesticks move at a higher position than moving 200 line, we can get that the momentum is ascending and we should look for buy trade. For example, there are 2 sell signals here which are completely invalid. But over here, there are 2 buy signals which are approved because they both have been given at a higher position than moving line. But we get the final approval from RSI and the third condition should be met as well. Here the blue line of RSI wasn't able to cross the yellow line, so the third condition is not met and this signal loses its validity. Here the signal has been given on top of the moving line and down here the blue line has cut the yellow line upwards. So with the RSI's approval, all 3 conditions are met here. And this signal is 100%. The next signal is a sell one, but this signal has been received on top of the moving 200 line, so it is now valid. I speed up the video and I do several trades using this strategy. You can see for yourself that this strategy gives us fewer trading positions, but it doesn't have any type of error because it is using 3 powerful indicators for approving the signals. As a matter of fact, the win-rate ratio of this strategy is 100% because it gives us bigger risk-reward ratios. Before using this strategy in your trades, make sure to do some backtesting. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of the video. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and turn on the notification and wait for the next video. Take care and goodbye.